Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison. In today's video, we will be sharing with you how to repair a broken pipe. This is a do-it-yourselfer, and in today's video, it's all about showing you how to do your own pipe. And so this is what happened. Someone backed over it or did something. Anyway, it broke off. And so what we're going to do is to show you how to repair it. It sits like that, but it broke. So first what we're going to do is take and use a little saw and even that pipe up. So whenever we take and add the attachment, it will be even. So just basically digging the dirt from around it. And then we're going to go in and saw this off. It just takes a little elbow work, but you can do it. The 3M 150 grit sandpaper, and we're just using this to just smooth it over. And again, all it takes is just a little elbow work. So what we're going to do here is just cut this off and then add this little tubing or pipe here to the end of it so that it will be a smoother transition when we put it back on. So this is where we're going to cut right here. And yes, if you had one of those little fancy saws, but it's really not necessary. See how easily that was? And then you're going to take your, we have some special glue that we're going to use or put it back together. But we're going to do the same as we did the one that's in ground. We're going to use the sandpaper and smooth it over. This is our primer, and then we're going to prime it, and then we will use the glue. It's all-purpose, well, I guess cement, all-purpose cement, and especially for PVC, CPVC, and this is what this is used for. So you just put the little purple primer around there on both ends. On both ends. Now the reason you want to use the primer is because it has a special reaction to the PVC, which will allow the glue to adhere a lot better, and this is why you want to do that first. Now this is the way we know how to do it. There may be other ways, but this is what we're doing. We're using the primer, and it all comes in a little handy pack like this. And we're just using it to fix this pipe. And this is what that looks like. And you just use the little brush that comes with it and just go around. And you want to do the same to the pieces that you're using. So again, the purple primer has a chemical reaction, or that reacts to the PVC. And then you want to go in with your all-purpose cement, and you're attaching your new tubing to the piece that's in ground. You've done the same thing. And then the piece that you want to put your water pipe itself, you're going to do the same thing. And what you want to do is you want to twist this in so it attaches. And then you let it sit and seal. Now with your chemicals, you want to make sure that you close them back up tightly and then put them away, and that way the next time that you have a pipe that has been broken or burst, you will have your supplies on hand. No need to go out and buy new. What we're doing here is just packing the dirt to support the beam that is supporting the pipe. So this is the little handy dandy saw. See, it has little jagged edges there. See, little jagged edges there. So get your blade or your saw if you already have one. Your tubing that you need, your PVC piping, and your little kit. I hope this video was simple enough to get you started on your home improvement or outdoor improvement or to-do list. Hope this will help you out. Again, I'm Styling with Gigi Faison. Thank you all so much for stopping by my channel. Hope you liked this enough to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos where you may find home decor, home styling, how-tos, DIYs, shopping hauls. You may find all of that here, so just click on, and I welcome you in advance. Thank you. And a special thanks to all of you that continue to show me so much love and support. It is greatly appreciated. Thanks. So once everything is aligned and supported, wait about 15 minutes for the cement to seal, and then you should be able to turn on and water your plants. It's been about 15 minutes. So here we are. Lots of pressure. The pipe is still intact. So that is it. Quick, easy, simple DIY. Do it yourself. save the money. You know, contractors and handymen are expensive now, so we have to learn to do things on our own as much as we can. And that's a wrap. Have a blessed day.